Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Malibu. It's right behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. HID headlights are nice and bright. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.